Hello my romantic home friends, Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I cannot wait to share with you a Dollar Tree haul. So I just happened to stop by the Dollar Tree and grabbed a couple of things that I'm going to use for some of the upcoming DIYs I have planned for you. I wanted to go ahead and share a haul, so maybe you can pick up a couple of these things as well, or keep an eye out if you have some of these things on hand in your home. So for the first Dollar Tree item, I grabbed a couple of 4x6 frames. Now these are the gold frames. I like that they have kind of a flat edge because I think we're going to build something really cool with these. So this was the first thing that I picked up. The next thing I had to go ahead and pick up was some new ribbon. So if you guys have been following with me, I have been doing a ton of Christmas DIYs. And I do have a pastel aesthetic in my home, and so I have really run myself completely out of ribbon. I wanted to have some fresh ribbon to craft with, and so Dollar Tree does carry in their craft section satin ribbon, so I grabbed a cream and a white, and then just kind of this sheer pale pink ribbon, their lace, and then some gold bling trim. So if you guys cannot find this at your Dollar Tree, I know Walmart and some of the craft stores also carry this ribbon. There's 6 yards on these, and then some of them are closer to 9 foot. And this is about a 5/8 inch ribbon, so just look for that, but really any ribbon will do. So anyway, for the next DIY kind of crafting thing that we're going to create, I did grab a couple of Dollar Tree's candlesticks. I grabbed 4 Dollar Tree candlesticks, and then also 2 of their tall large vases. So if you guys have those available in your Dollar Tree, go ahead and pick some of those up. A lot of times too, I find a lot of good crafting supplies at the thrift store. So I know our thrifting store has ribbon sections. They also have these candlesticks and a lot of vases that you all can use too. So check that out if you guys don't happen to find these. Another thing I grabbed were 2 of their white candles. These are actually the real candles. A lot of time I use the LED candles, but my store was out, so I grabbed the real ones. And then I also grabbed some, let's see, this is called reindeer moss, and then also some natural raffia. So these are just going to be some things that we use to craft with. And I did go ahead and also grab some nautical rope. I love using this. I use this a lot in some of my Christmas projects. I think the nautical rope you guys can use to create some great DIYs, especially if you're going for kind of the farmhouse look. So my thinking for these DIYs is going to be a glam rustic woodland kind of winter bridal scene. So a lot of the DIYs that I do create I use in my home, so that's going to be kind of my next upcoming theme. I'm very excited to share these with you all. I have been having people ask for some bridal DIYs, so if you guys have seen my home, you'll know I really love to go over the top, and a lot of people tell me that my home could be also used for bridals, so it'll be kind of a dual purpose with some of these DIYs. I also grabbed some sand. I'm going to use these in the bottom of those jars, I believe. And then in the Dollar Tree wedding section, they carry these white rose petals. They come with 300 rose petals in them. I went ahead and grabbed a packet of these. Dollar Tree also has white styrofoam. I went ahead and grabbed 1 block of that. And then I know a lot of our Dollar Tree florals are sold out, but if you go into the crafting section, you probably should be able to find some white florals. Of course, white during Christmas isn't a super popular color, and so I was able to get a couple of white Dollar Tree rose stems, and then I grabbed a bundle of carnations, and then I grabbed 2 of these baby's breath. I think they're going to be really beautiful. And then I just grabbed a willow wreath from Dollar Tree. So I think if you guys don't find the willow wreaths, they also carry grapevine wreaths as well as styrofoam wreaths. Really any wreath base should work for this project. I actually preferred a styrofoam wreath base, but again, this is what our store had in stock, and so be flexible and be creative. So just grab whatever kind of wreath base you have. Oh, this wreath base too, it looks like it's about a 12-inch circle, so that's about the size that we're going to use for the wreath that we're going to create. And then another thing I found were a couple of cattails. Now, if you guys have seen me work, I do love to create height and dimension with different textures and shapes with my florals. So my Dollar Tree had some of those left over. Again, you guys can find a lot of these at your local craft store or at Walmart. A couple of other things that I wanted to share with you that I'm going to play with in my upcoming DIYs are their little tumbling tower games. I did buy, I believe, about 8 of these. I put them in a bowl and my kids have been playing with them. I actually had a DIY planned with these sooner, but the kids kind of took them over, which, hey, it's almost Christmas, and so I let them.
We'll put it back on top.
No.
Just, okay.
I'm just gonna set it. Yeah, this one's the extra. Whoever ends up with most at the end wins.
But if you guys are able to find the tumbling tower games, I am going to play with some of those and some of my upcoming DIYs as well. Another thing to look for if you're looking for really fun and inexpensive home decor, Dollar Tree has put out these really cute signs. They look very French chic to me. And so I picked up this Paris one and also this Market Fresh Produce one. So I'm not completely for sure, again, how I want to use those, but we are going to use them in some way, in some form, and so I'm excited for those. One last thing I wanted to share with you all is Dollar Tree does carry foam board. I finally found some, and so I did grab some foam board, but a big piece of foam board, and we're definitely going to do some projects with that, so I'm super excited for that. I am excited to announce another giveaway for you all. For this giveaway, I will be giving away a Grove Collaborative Essential Oils Diffuser. These are really wonderful. I absolutely love mine. You just add some water, your favorite essential oils, turn it on in the morning, and it fills your house with the delicious, fresh fragrance. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is comment and let me know what your favorite home fragrance is, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck, and the winner will be announced next Friday. I love you all so much. My comment of the day goes to Aisha Shasha. Thank you for all of your comments. Your love and support means the world. So thank you all so much for joining me in this video. I love you all so much. You guys mean the world to me. You all make my heart sparkle and shine with all of your kind comments. It really and truly means the world to me, and it really keeps me going on this YouTube journey. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.